Interactive touch computer is a human-machine interface that can help create sustainable business growth. Today, touchscreen technology are used all around the world. They are seen in industrial environments and in retail sectors such as F&B restaurants, hotels, and supermarkets. I'm Benjamin, and this is the 15.6 inches UTC-100 Series. It also comes with two other different sizes, 21.5 inches and 23.8 inches. The UTC can be used for many purposes. First, in the industrial setting, it can be used to display and monitor data in order to do remote operations in manufacturing sites. Secondly, in the retail sector, it can be used as a self-serving kiosk to help customers speed up registration process, placing orders, and making payments at restaurants in their own pace. This helps businesses to increase efficiency, reduce cost of labor, and minimize human errors. The UTC supports Windows 10 IoT Enterprise, Ubuntu, and Android OS. It also has a low power consumption of 26 watts compared to a regular touchscreen computer that uses around 40 watts. This helps to reduce ongoing electricity costs. Built with a slim and lightweight design, it makes it perfect for modern usage while allowing a person to easily carry it around. Last but not least, the UTC can be attached with multiple optional peripherals on all four sides of the screen. It can be supported with facile wall mounting, table stands, and floor stands to accommodate various working environments. Now, before we end the video, I would like to share that we are currently having a 20% off for the UTC-100 Series. This promotion will end on 31st March. If you require more info, you can contact me by my email and I will be there to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.